Hi everyone, my name is Chloe Hanford, and today we'll be taking a look at the content creation platform Canva to see how we can optimize its features to support service initiatives. For those of you who don't already know, this video is part of a tutorial series which accompanies my Digital Marketing for Good workshop. I created this workshop to teach high schoolers how to optimize digital platforms to expand the outreach of their service-oriented clubs and initiatives as part of my Girl Scout Gold Award. I've created an awesome website where you can find the lesson plans and more resources for this workshop, just like this video, so if you're interested, the link's in the description. Go check it out. As a disclaimer, according to Girl Scout Gold Award rules, I can't provide any advice on raising funds for any organization, so nothing in this video should be taken as instructions on raising money of any kind. Alright, so on to the video. So today we'll be looking at the platform Canva. Canva is an amazing platform with so many different features that you can take advantage of for content creation, in terms of posts, videos, and much more. Canva luckily has a ton of awesome tutorials for how to use and take advantage of all its features here in the website, but it can be a lot to take on at first, so I've created this video as kind of a basic where to start with Canva and how you can use it for your advantage, specifically if you are a high schooler involved in service or anybody involved in service seeking to benefit your organization. So before we start on what the actual features of Canva are, let's take a look quickly at how you might be able to optimize its features and get more out of Canva based on your situation. So if you look at plans and pricing here, you'll see that anybody can access the free plan for Canva. So this already contains a boatload of features, templates, elements that you can use for graphic design, and you can also pay for a pro plan. But if you look here, there are two options that might be a good option for yourself if you were involved in a service organization. So the first is education. Canva has graciously given free premium access to any verified teacher and all of their students. So for example, if you are a high school service club, you might ask your teacher sponsor or teacher representative at your school to add all the students in your club to their classroom so that they can take advantage of Canva's premium features in order to access more templates and elements for free. Another thing is that Canva Pro is graciously been granted as free access for all registered nonprofits, so you can input your nonprofit, if that is something that you have, into Canva and receive Canva Pro for free. So great options if you're interested in getting more out of Canva based on your situation where you're trying to do something good with it. Let's move on to the actual features. So I'm going to be highlighting two things in this video. First of all, what kind of posts you might be able to make, and secondly, how you can make videos with Canva. However, I'll have another video on how you can take advantage of Canva's awesome content planner feature, which I think is really a great way to get started with social media management. So first, let's take a look at how you can make posts and what you can make with Canva. So start here with this awesome button, Create a Design, and you're going to see a boatload of different posts that you can create. So anything from Instagram story, Instagram posts. I can search here for another social media platform, Facebook cover, for example, if you're starting a page for your organization, and basically any social media outlet out there, it's going to have a post for. I create slide decks on Canva all the time, worksheets, things that you could use for like workshops and stuff, but let's focus on the online stuff. There's a lot that you can do with Canva, but let's just start by creating a design using a template. Now, the really nice thing about Canva is that it simplifies graphic design so that you don't have to do all the work, and you can make more content at one time, so which will come in handy when you have a content planner. So let's start off with an Instagram post, a square. So what it's done is created the exact dimensions that are optimized for an Instagram post here. So now what's happening is that I have this blank square, but what I can do is actually add a template in. Now let's say that I'm running a tennis tournament to raise awareness for a specific issue in my community, and I'm looking for volunteers to volunteer at this tennis tournament. So maybe I'll search up tennis tournament into the templates bar, which is located right here. And as I can see, there are a lot of different options to choose from that are all pretty good looking. So I think I'm going to go with this one. All right. So look, it already says tennis tournament. So I need to edit it with my own details, and I can edit the text very easily here. So volunteers needed. Bring your friends. So I've already created a template where I can edit the text. I can also edit the colors of individual elements. So let's say I want the tournament part to pop out more. I could use yellow. Now, I don't think that looks very good, so I'm going to change it back. But I can also, so I have access to all these free templates. And by the way, this is all used with Canva Pro for Education. So I'm part of a teacher's classroom, so I'm getting that premium features. But if you are in free mode, some of them will not be available without payment. For example, like this one. So let's say that I'm not really happy with this tennis ball here. I'm thinking I want a tennis racket on my thing. So there's an Elements tab where you have access to a bunch of free elements that you can drag and drop anywhere into your thing, so you don't have to draw them out every time or buy stock images. There are plenty of images used. So for example, I could insert this tennis image in. Now I'm kind of liking this racket. I'd searched it up earlier, so I'm just gonna drag it in to Canva, and as you can see, it populates. I can change the color of this racket if I want it to be white, for example. And then I can, remove this tennis ball that I didn't really like and put my racket in here and resize it. I could also, if I preferred an image, choose like a photo. I could choose a GIF, and any combination of things. I can manipulate shapes, use stickers that move, all sorts of things. This is great for creating a diverse array of content. There's plenty of text art that you can use, wide variety of fonts to be used, and you can even do things like animate a little bit. So like, for example, I could have this move a little bit, so when you look at it, it looks like that. I can also upload my own images so that I can use, for example, images that my organization has taken. Here's another really cool feature that Canva has, is say that they don't have the shape that you're looking for. You can actually draw. So maybe, for example, I want to create like a little call out right here to really emphasize tennis. Now, I don't know if that goes with the principles of graphic design, guys, but I did it. This could be a really great feature if you have, for example, a tablet with a pencil that you could use. And there are also plenty of cool apps you can connect to Instagram, YouTube, Google Drive to access more images and features. So that really quickly is an example of how you could use a post to create this really cool post. It even moves. But there's something else really cool that you can do. Take a look at how we might make a video using Canva. And I think this is really great because a lot of video editing platforms like After Effects, or even to an extent iMovie, I feel like can be a little bit challenging for a first-time user to know what all the different things mean. But with Canva, it's really simple and easy to do. So let's say that we want to make a Instagram reel. So it's generating tons of templates that I can use to actually do this. And let's say that I want to make something about mental health. So there's already tons of templates that I can add, so I could have multiple pages in my video. So I'm just gonna say, did you know your mental health is important? Okay, so now what I can do is access Canva's video and audio library and look for mental health. I can go to the videos, and I can change up the video in the background for this lovely heart. I've already created an awesome video. Now I'm ready for the next part of it, and I'm going to add this. And I'm going to say, learn more on our website. Take care of you. So what I've done already is I've created a really short video. And if I start it from the beginning, it will make the transition. I can modify how long everything takes and add audio, but I already have a video out there. And all of this is available to be shared, to be downloaded, and even published straight to Instagram if you'd like that. So I hope that this video has kind of given you ideas for how you can use Canva to put your service-oriented initiative out there online. If you're interested in learning more about Canva, I also have a video out on my channel and my website about how you can optimize Canva's content planner so you can actually plan your posts in advance. I also have a bunch of different videos on other digital platforms that you might use, so check that out. Thank you for watching.